Peace, love, and light. Healing through inspiration. Feathers up, we're not just talking, we're actually living it. You know what I'm saying? It's still a grand dose. Great day, you feel me? Everything blissful, it's abundant, you feel me? Real spit. You know, I'm just seeing our life growing right now. 11 out of channels growing. You know, more people know about us. You know, things are just working out. This is ever since, you know, we even exited the Narcs. Same place. We're still in the same building, but we exited, you know, when I stay in the same place, per se, even though we're in the same building, you know what I'm saying? But things have been great. Like I saw, I just left the store, still no mask. You know, this motherfucking hybrid bitch, this bitch staring at me as I'm waiting on her in line. They get more than 6 feet away. You know, more than 6 feet away ahead of me. She tell her how she looking. I'm already smiling because I'm abundant, I'm a blissful. And then what this bitch do is she's like, and she looking, she said, then she like, I'm like, I feel what this bitch about to say, something about mask. And then she goes, mask, cause I'm mask. You know, he talking to her daughter. I'm like, you bum ass bitch. You wouldn't dare say that to me though. But I'm just like, you know, say F that bitch, you know, cause you scared don't mean I gotta be scared. You know what I'm saying? If your mask work fine, what you got to feel? If your mask work, all right then, you should be all right then. Cause if your mask don't work, then what the frick? Everybody else need to wear a mask for. You the only one need to be wearing a mask, nigga. Frick you talking about? You know what I'm saying? But that happened, man. And you know what, my nigga? I swear to freaking gosh, this right here is about to show y'all niggas how powerful the freaking mind is. Oh my freaking gosh, cuz nigga, I went to the freaking place. Nigga, you know how I told y'all how it's like the 40-minute video was talking about the 40-minute video we was talking about we were talking about how they're we mentioned a lot. We was talking about a lot in the 40-minute video. It was talking about what's up? You know, what the frick? We said how we worked at, you know, how we used to work at Starbucks. And there was this person out there who believed, because they were a born female, identifies as a male, you know, they got mixed up with the pronouns, and they said we said the pronouns, whatever, and I didn't even realize it. And then it was from a person who does not like me. They know this person does not like me. They said, oh, I didn't realize it said it, and they told them that, I thought it didn't even matter underneath the breath, and there was a bunch of drama and whatever, and it was just and they sent me this, and then they sent me, the person sent me a long, it's the person who identifies as a male, sent me a long ass text the same day. We had already worked together, but I clocked out. It's saying that after I clocked out, just, oh, did you say this about me? You said this. I hope you know, if that was the case, I don't want to be your friend. It's basically telling me that I did do it, but it was like but just putting the word if. So I'm just like, how the hell you gonna say all this and it said if you did it? No, get the frick. You ain't even hearing me out. So you hear, and they wouldn't even tell me who. Anyways, and I said, and I summed it up to the point where, like, if any person who believe that from somebody know they don't like me, man, the freaking F them, nigga. I'm gonna put the device closer so y'all can hear me. I said, motherfucking F them, my nigga. I don't give a frick about their ass, real spit. And nigga, I said that, and then I happened to see the motherfucker, you know, I said, outside at the same job at Starbucks. This is some of the job that they freaking hated. They freaking hated, and they left to go work at another job, but now they back at that bitch. And I see these people, yeah, like I'm really, really seeing a cycle. I've seen it before, but I'm seeing like it's more highlighted now. You know, ever since I left the Narcissist, I'm seeing a cycle of people just in the same cycle in the pit. They ain't trying to really embed it. They're not embedded in their lives. They're going in the same thing. But like I said, I just left the store, bro. As you hear the bags. And bro, Bro, check this out, yo. And guess who the frick I see? I'm about to walk out to the checkout line. I'm going towards the checkout line, yo. And then guess who that's when somebody says my name, and I look, and guess who it is? It's the person who works at Starbucks I used to work at. And they said, hey, and I'm like, and I just said, huh, and I looked and I said, hey. And it's smiling, I can see through the mask. And then with some obese female, like, F that bitch too, like, I don't give a frick, you know what I'm saying? Real spit, like, and I'm like, you dating her now? Like, cause before you was dating a skinnier person, you know what I'm saying? So I'm like, and they're together now, and there's no sign of your friend, and I'm just like, you just can't, you know, and then Starbucks isn't far from here, so I'm like, whatever. But I could just care less. But I said I didn't even realize that, because I'm like, you know what? Probably had I been, I might have just ignored it as if I had knew. But I just got to show you how powerful the mind is, you know, and what it attracts and what it manifests, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And, you know, so much things to learn, so much things to explore, you feel me? And you know what? I think it was it today? Or is it yesterday, cuz? I think it was yesterday. But man, I freaking looked. I looked left. Bro. I'm sorry. Make sure y'all can see. Thumb was hurting. Had to rotate. I looked. Let me get this right. I looked left, and then I saw like a blue light. It was like blue, like Crayola blue. You know, the one that comes in the 12-pack. It was like that color, but almost like, you know, almost the blue, but it was like a circle. It was like a circle, almost like the ones that you might see like at an eye doctor. It was like a perfect circle. It was like blue, and I said, when I see it, I'm like, man, I didn't even like overreact, because what I had saw before was, should be making a separate video about this, but hey, I said, man, the day before, the day before that day was man, I freaking saw, it was this big ass, man, it had this big ass white flash. Big white flash. Man, this flash was so bright. It was like covering like almost all the vision of my eye, my left eye, this eye. And it was like, it was so much to the point where cause I had my earphones just listening to things, I had to go like this. I had to go like this, I had to step back. And I'm like, oh my, and it was a white flash, and it was like almost how they show you like a star in the distance, or maybe like when it's twinkling, but it was white. It was this white flash. I was like, oh my gosh. I'm like, yo, what? That was the strongest I've ever gotten, because I know before I get the white flashes, you feel me? I get the flashes, but it's like, man, I got flashes, like I always see white flashes pretty much almost like every day, but that was the strongest that it ever been. So I'm like, you know, it must be some type of alignment or something that I'm falling into, you know what I'm saying? You know, it's something like, you know, has to do with, you know, gaining higher consciousness, what they call consciousness. So I'm like, shoot, but I just wanted more direct answer. So I did some research, and, you know, it was a hybrid talking about it. And she said, oh, happens to be alignment, but difference with her, she said she gets it at the side of her eye. I'm like, I don't get it at the side of her eye. I get it right in front of me. Like, it was right in front of me. Like, if I was driving and I would be like, oh, I'd be like, oh, shit. It was that much, but it was like in my eyeball, in my vision. You know what I'm saying? Golly, man. But, you know, this kind of confirmation letting us know we're following around the right path and whatnot. And I think it's another point, too, as I think about it. Sorry, I thought somebody's talking to us. It's been highlighted as far as when, you know, since we left. Since we left the Narcissist, a lot of great things. I noticed we've been having more, quote-unquote, time, you know, more ability in order to get things done. You dig what I'm saying? But, shoot, man. Yeah, man. But yeah, you guys can book a one-on-one consultation. DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration, or you can just email us at info@healingthroughinspiration. Hopefully y'all can hear me. I'm sorry, because I got my gloves. Like I saying, it's cold. But I was gonna say this, yo. Talking about yeah, we got our stuff at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. Make sure you guys go get that. And we got our amazing American apparel. Go ahead, you guys wanna rep something for you. And right now, this Corona, you see these jobs, how they doing? It's about to go on lockdown. It's a lockdown. The place has already started right now. So right now, what you need is you need a business. You need to make money online. You know what I'm saying? I took a course. I took a course myself. It's the best course I've ever taken before. I got the link for you guys in the description box so you guys can sign up. But make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification, all that. Okay? Y'all have a great one. All right. I don't know if I hadn't said it. Well, I did say it in the beginning, but y'all see how we coming. All right, bet.